Etsy. You've heard of it, right? It's where you buy those unique handmade gifts. But did you know it can also be your ticket to earning? That's right. Etsy isn't just an online marketplace, it's a platform for creative entrepreneurs like you to turn passion into profit. Whether you're a whiz with a sewing machine, a jewelry-making maestro, or a digital design guru, Etsy provides a space to showcase your talents and connect with a global customer base eager for unique, handcrafted goods. Imagine this. You wake up, sip your coffee, and check your Etsy shop. Cha-ching! You've made sales while you slept. This isn't a pipe dream. It's the reality for countless Etsy sellers who've tapped into the platform's power. Etsy empowers you to set your own hours, be your own boss, and build a business around your passions. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a business whiz to succeed on Etsy. With a bit of guidance and a whole lot of hustle, you can transform your creative passion into a thriving Etsy business. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to make your Etsy dreams a reality. From setting up your shop to marketing your products, we've got you covered. Ready to embark on your Etsy journey? Let's get started. Your creative future awaits. Why choose Etsy over the sea of other online marketplaces? Simple. Etsy is the ultimate destination for all things handmade, vintage, and craft supplies. It's a place where creativity thrives and unique items are celebrated. It's a community of creators and shoppers who value originality and craftsmanship. Here, every item tells a story, and every purchase supports an artist. Etsy provides a targeted audience actively seeking out unique, handcrafted goods. These are people who appreciate the time and effort put into each creation. These shoppers are willing to pay a premium for quality and individuality, something mass-produced items simply can't offer. They are looking for that special touch. Etsy offers powerful tools and resources designed specifically for creative entrepreneurs. These tools help you manage your shop efficiently and grow your business. From shop customization options to marketing and analytics tools, Etsy provides everything you need to succeed. Etsy empowers you to build a successful business on your own terms. You have the freedom to express your creativity and reach a global audience. Plus, Etsy fosters a supportive community of sellers. This network is invaluable for sharing knowledge and growing together. You'll find forums, groups, and resources where you can connect with fellow Etsy sellers, share tips, and learn from one another's experiences. This collaboration can be a game changer. This sense of community is invaluable, especially when you're starting. It provides the support and encouragement needed to thrive in your creative journey. Ready to open your virtual doors? Let's dive into the exciting world of Etsy. Setting up your Etsy shop is easier than you think. Follow these simple steps. First, create an account. It's the foundation of your new venture. Head to Etsy.com and sign up for an account. It's free and easy. Next, name your shop. This is your brand's identity. Choose a memorable and relevant name that reflects your brand and products. Then, list your products. This is where your creativity shines. This is where the fun begins. Showcase your unique creations to the world. Take clear, high-quality photos of your products and write compelling descriptions that highlight their unique features and benefits. Make your listings stand out. After that, set your prices. This step is crucial for your business success. Research similar products on Etsy to get a sense of pricing. Understand the market. Factor in your costs, time, and desired profit margin. Choose payment methods that are convenient for you and your customers. Etsy offers various payment options, including PayPal and Etsy Payments. Flexibility is key. Select the ones that work best for you. Set up shipping to ensure smooth delivery. Determine shipping costs based on product weight and destination. Accurate shipping is essential. Offer multiple shipping options to cater to different customer preferences. Finally, promote your shop to attract customers. Once your shop is live, spread the word. Marketing is vital. Share it on social media, email your list, and engage with the Etsy community. Build your brand and watch your business grow. A picture is worth 1,000 sales, especially on Etsy. Your product photos are the first impression potential customers have of your creations, so make them count. Use natural light whenever possible. It enhances colors and textures, making your products look their best. Avoid using flash as it can create harsh shadows and distort colors. Showcase your products from multiple angles. Provide close-ups to highlight details. Use different perspectives to give shoppers a complete view. Use props sparingly to create context and visual interest. Keep the focus on your product and avoid clutter. Edit your photos to enhance brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. There are many free and affordable photo editing tools available online. Remember, your goal is to create visually appealing photos that accurately represent your products and entice shoppers to learn more.